Hi everyone! So for today's video, I will demonstrate how to test a fan motor leads by using digital multimeter. So first, I will discuss about a fan motor lead. So this black wire, tinatawag siya na ground, and then meron siyang 3 switches. This, etong color white is a switch 1, and then etong red is switch 2, and then etong blue is a switch 3. And then etong black is eto naman yung sa outlet. So first, i-open muna natin itong digital multimeter. And then, after that, is ika-calibrate natin. So yun, gumagana na siya. And then itong negative is nandito siya sa may color black na wire or tinatawag na ground. And then, i-test na etong positive is lalagay natin siya dito sa mga switches or doon natin siya ilalagay. So, first is etong color white or yung switch 1. So, etong switch 1 is meron siyang 0.91 kilo ohms. And then, after that, ika-calibrate siya ulit. So, yun. Eto namang switch 2 is meron siyang 0.81 kilo ohms. So, after that, ika-calibrate ulit. So, dito naman tayo sa switch 3 is meron siyang 0.94 kilo ohms. So, that's all guys kung paano i-test yung fan motor leads by using digital multimeter.